Asan pieces? Aywa. Then, okay. Then we start. Connect the tube, breathing tube. Okay, connect. See, this one and a track, but then that's it. But then sim sound la awul aywa. Sorry. Ada sugol sa. Okay. But then after
Check.
I was check for the sounds. These sounds means if you heard the sounds while you are working, you need to go outside. Okay? Then after that, you will what? After you heard the sounds, okay, you see. Aywa. Aywa. But then you will hear this.
Sudah nih beda lagi.
Aywa, but then one should open. One. Ada ini naman. Aywa. So your aywa. So must be all inside. Aywa. Napas is see? But then keda. But then you can go inside and when you are protected because you are not allowed to wear this N95 because finger. Okay? But then in Taiji, shield keda. Aywa. So malum alin mubarak, brother.
Ana video show.
But then in the shield, minhina. You bend.
Sekarang dia bueno.
Aywa. Aywa. Then remove. Remove. You can push that one. Then turn off. But then you can clean. Aywa. But then clean. Okay. Keep sa hand drop. Yalla.